Local news for Friday, the 27th of September. Conservation group 50 Shades of Green supports Minister Jones in his efforts to put the right tree in the right place, along with EV initiatives, but not easy access for foreign investors and carbon speculators. 50 Shades Chair Andy Scott says here in Wairarapa we have titled Overseas Aristocrats Buying Productive Farms for the sole reason of farming carbon credits. That's also happening in the rest of the country. A packed Carterton event centre yesterday saw farmers and interested parties grill both MPI and the Ministry for the Environment on the new freshwater bill. Solid planning, lack of consultation and stock units were all identified as some of the issues facing farmers. The second ever Featherston Expo will take place this Sunday with 75 stalls. It's opening at 1 o'clock at the Anzac Hall and showcasing everything Featherston has to offer. Hundreds are anticipated once again to attend. And finally in sport, Buller will start as favourites in tomorrow's Heartland Rugby clash with the Ferries Wairarapa Bush and Westport. While both teams are on the same points and wins and losses, Buller have a bit of for and against on points. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.